Hello, welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing how to use custom fonts in Flutter. So let's add a text to our UI quickly. So that will say hello Flutter. And now I will show the font that I have added in my assets. That's a Roboto medium font. And when you go to the pubspec.yaml and go to the bottom, you'll see the commented font section. So I have already added the fonts. Alright, let's go back to the UI. And we will write a method that will return a new text style with a custom font. So get custom font style and return constant text style, and the color will be, let's set it to blue accent, and the font family is Roboto. That's the one we specified in the pubspec.yaml file. Alright, so let's add the other properties. The font weight, you can set the font weight in the pubspec.yaml file as well, and the font size, let's set it to 50. Now we will add the style to our text. Alright, there we have our custom font. So you can have your weight here as well. So that's how you set custom fonts in Flutter. That's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hit the bell icon for notifications, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.